Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily wash your new copper water bottle. First, it's important to give your bottle a good initial rinse. Use warm water to flush out any dust or small particles that might have settled inside during manufacturing. Then, add a few drops of mild dish soap and use a soft bottle brush to gently scrub the interior. This ensures a clean start for your new hydration companion. For a natural and effective clean, we'll use a simple homemade solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of common table salt with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This creates a gentle abrasive paste. Apply this mixture to the inside surfaces of your copper bottle using a soft cloth or brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The acidity of the lemon juice helps to naturally clean the copper. After the natural cleaning solution has done its work, it's time for a thorough rinse. Use plenty of clean, running water to wash out all traces of the lemon and salt mixture. Make sure the water runs clear from the bottle's opening. Once rinsed, place your copper bottle upside down on a drying rack. Allow it to air dry completely to prevent any water spots or moisture buildup. To keep your copper bottle in excellent condition, regular maintenance is key. Aim to clean it every 2 to 3 days, depending on your usage. Always avoid using harsh chemical detergents or abrasive scrubbing pads, as these can damage the copper's surface. When not in use, store your bottle in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its natural luster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.